In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Dfwe. It is called Dfwe because it encrypts all the files that the customers store on their hard drives, and then after the successful encryption, it adds this special Dfwe extension, which is pretty unique. Then, after the malware encrypts these files, it demands payment for their decryption. This particular ransomware is the part of the Dfwe ransomware family. So in my video I will demonstrate to you what exactly happens with the files after they get damaged. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack we were able to open the files, but this is what happens after the ransomware is successfully started. Of course, the reason why this Dfwe ransomware injects computer is because of the poor protection by this particular computer by the existing security software. So in case this ransomware has become the part of your system, it's absolutely certain that your current security application can be blamed for that. Pretty soon after people restart their computers, they realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use the files anymore. This is what happens after they try to open the specific file. They get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Dfwe extension. No matter what files you try to open, you still get this particular message. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. In fact, the ransom amount is $980 US. But paying the ransom definitely is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. Our first recommendation is that you carefully research the task manager in your computer, and most likely you will find some long processes running in the background. If you find them, right-click on them and end their task. This could help you stop the further file encryption. Afterwards, we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to detecting and deleting ransomware type infections, including this particular one called Dfwe. You may get Combo Cleaner and its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start carefully researching and investigating the system with its help. So initially the program is in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan and begin the direct research, analysis and investigation of your computer. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner not only detects ransomware, it can also help you remove threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other malware. Now, while the scanning is taking place, we want you to pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders on the system, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. Now, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. We strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically, and this is the best way to keep your data always safe, secure, and protected.